What if your business could automatically reply to customers 24/7, answer their questions instantly, collect leads, and even guide customers without you touching your phone? So that's exactly what AI agents are doing for businesses right now. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build your own AI agent for your business without writing a single line of code. So to demonstrate this, I have created a dummy WhatsApp AI agent for an insurance business. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can do this setup, let me show you how the AI assistant will work in real time. See, as soon as I sent a message to my WhatsApp AI assistant, immediately it responds. Let's say I am sending a message as share me the services you are offering, and see, it shares me the services related to the insurance. I am sending a next message as can I file a claim on WhatsApp? See, within a second it responds to me like this. Now I am sending a next message as how long does claim processing take? Then it shares me the details about the processing time too. And not only this AI assistant will answer all of the users' query regarding to the insurance. It is only made possible because I have trained this AI agent by using my own business knowledge base. Just watch this video till the end and you will understand each and everything. Now without wasting any more time, let's understand the setup of this AI assistant. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and once you reach it, on the left hand side you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to come towards this AI assistant feature. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. For creating a new AI assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. I have already created some before, so I am directly going in this AI assistant. See, this is the AI assistant that I have created for the car insurance company. At first you have to select the instructions type from here that I have selected as AI agent. As soon as you can select the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can select any instructions type from it based on your own choice. After that, you just have to select the temperature from here. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. I have set it the temperature as 0.5. After that, the model provider I have selected as OpenAI. Next, you just have to select the model from here that I have selected as GPT-4o mini. It will provide you multiple types of models. After that, you just have to paste the API key in this field. For getting this API key, you just have to go towards your OpenAI API key page, and once you reach it, on the right hand side you will see one option by the name of plus create new secret key. Once you click on it and then the setup, then you will successfully get this API key. So copy that key from here and paste it in this field. For generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After pasting the key, you just have to click on this connect button. Next is the AI assistant settings with multiple options. You can customize it based on your own needs. If you want to add any header, footer, then you can enable this toggle and entered. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the keyword in this field. Stop keywords work like, for example, you have entered any word in this field and the user will send exact word while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and at that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any stop keywords. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. And last one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical errors such as API key problem or a connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for the beta conversation. After that, the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant, that is knowledge source, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. A knowledge base file plays an important role as it is a brain for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier in this tutorial, I have created a dummy WhatsApp AI assistant for automobile insurance. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. You have to make sure that this file contains all of your business information because it plays an important role. You can create a knowledge base file by using Google Docs. After that, just download the file in the PDF format. I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a knowledge base file, you just have to click on this option. After that, click on this add new file and upload a file from your gallery. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file while doing the setup of your assistant. Next is the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I have entered the heading as Smart AI Assistant, and you can see as soon as I entered anything in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. You can customize these fields from here based on your own choice. Next one is the styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can change it from here if you want to. After that, you just have to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will become active and click on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can build a WhatsApp AI agent for your own business by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now the setup of our AI assistant is fully completed. After that, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you just have to scroll down and make sure that to enable this toggle. After that, select the contact list from here on bottom. You have to set your AI assistant and select the AI assistant from this drop down. Next, you just have to click on the save button. So this is how easily you can set your AI assistant to all of your contacts. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI agent for your own business too by using Pabbly Chatflow. This works for your business 24/7 without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.